Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the camera Pro Mode picture format to JPEG, RAW, or both RAW and JPEG formats on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, in here, tap on the settings icon. Then in the camera settings, scroll down to the pictures section. In here, tap on advanced picture options. And then go down and tap on Pro Mode picture format. From the list here, you can choose between JPEG format or RAW and JPEG formats, or simply just save pictures in RAW format. Now this is for the Pro Mode only, so select which format to save Pro Mode pictures in. No color tone adjustments are applied to RAW pictures. So when you are using the camera to take pictures and you don't want any adjustment to the photos, you can simply choose RAW format. And that's it. Select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to your camera, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.